to another episode of Try This Thursday. I'm Miss Amy, and I work for the South St. Paul Public Library. Today we are going to think like engineers. That's right, we're going to do some edible engineering though, which is maybe more fun than some of the engineering real engineers get to do. According to Community Resources for Science, engineers start with a challenge, such as a problem to solve or trying to improve something that already exists. They review information they already know, they think of ideas and imagine solutions, they plan something to try, they build it and test it, and then they think about ways to improve on that. In order to do our edible engineering challenge, you are going to need some toothpicks, and you're going to need some foods like apples, grapes, cheese, gumdrops, jelly beans, marshmallows, anything that can be put into a toothpick, cut up into bite-sized small pieces. So I've got my toothpicks, and I've got some marshmallows. But use whatever you have. The best part about this project, when you're done, you can eat all of the snack foods. Using your toothpicks and the food that's available to you, create the tallest structure you can. So that is our challenge. That is what we are trying to do. Then, once we're done, you get to dismantle it and enjoy a snack. Just don't eat the toothpicks. Here are some tips for building. Remember to think like an engineer and start with you already know. What shapes can you make with your edible items and toothpicks? I made a triangle and a square so far, but I bet I could make a pentagon and a hexagon too if I kept going. Which of these shapes is the strongest? Wobble them to find out. So if the triangle feels pretty good, but look what happens when I wobble my square. It can twist and turn. I don't know if a square is the strongest shape that I can make, but I haven't tested very many shapes, so I have some more experimenting to do. Then think of a plan and start to begin building. Remember, we want to make a really tall structure, so you have to think about how you can make it. If you want to make this a challenge and you have a brother or sister or someone at home, you could always set a time limit and see who can build the tallest tower in like 5 or 10 minutes, right? If you're by yourself though, it can be kind of fun just to keep challenging yourself to see how tall you can build it. Measure the height of your structure and write it down. If you think about how you built your structure or talk it through with someone else, you can talk about what worked and what didn't work, and then why you think that was the case. Once you're done, you could consider ways to improve on your own design, like an engineer would, and then try building another structure and comparing the results. Whatever you end up doing, I hope you enjoy this edible engineering exercise. You can find all of this information on the activity sheet linked below in the description. Have a great day!